Good day everyone, my name is Ruslan and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, I hope you're good. I hope everything is fine and check this out. So we are working in our mall and our previous video was regarding our parametric, our completely parametric waffle ceiling. So look at how beautiful this is. Make sure to check this out. And for today we're going to be using the profile method and we're going to be making a staircase from this floor to this floor. The ceiling to ceiling height is 8 meters, right? So let's quickly get started. This is the profile method, right? It's nothing very hard. I even have another video on this. So we are going to be making a total of 2 stair profiles. So I've opened up 2 and let's start with the first one. So millimeters, all right, 2 decimal places. And now let's go to line. So the floor to floor height is 8 meters. This is going to be 8 meters right here. And after that, so the thread is going to be 300 mm for the first profile and the riser is going to be 250. And there's even going to be a landing of 1 meters, all right? So it's just copying the profile, nothing very special. Alright guys, so check this out. I just copy the profiles, alright? For example, this one right here, this one right here, I just copied it in order to save some time. How about we go to delete, we go to create, we go to line, and this is our point, right? So from this point to somewhere around here, right here, let's go to modify, let's delete this and let's delete that also. So check this out, this is our first profile and let's load it into our project 2. Right, so I mean the workflow is very easy, it's nothing hard. Let's go to the top, let's go to model in place, let's go to S for stairs, and right here let's go to sweep and sweep right here, and let's go to sketch path and let's sketch our first path. Let's go to OK and let's go to profile right here, which is going to be the family 6. Let's press OK and check this out guys. So this is our first beautiful profile and it's easy, right? Nothing very hard. After that, let's do the same thing for our second profile. So remember the floor to floor height 8 meters. Let's first of all go to UN and UN 2 decimal places. Okay. And we even want this distance to be the same so that it ends at the same spot. This is 1 and this point right here is 2, and let's check out the value. It is 15 and 600, right? So it means that line, this value right here is going to be 15,600 mm, and let's press cross, create line, and the ceiling to ceiling height is going to be 8 meters. And now for this profile it's going to be double of that, so this one is going to be 600 and this one right here is going to be 500. So it's the same thing, copy and paste, right? I'll quickly do it and we'll be back. And here you go guys, it is completed, right? So nothing very hard to understand. Now let's go to loading the project. Let's load it into the project 2. And okay, we have to make a sweep again. So let's go to the top, let's go to create, let's go to sweep, let's go to sketch path, and this time again the path is going to be the same from this point to, let's say, this point. Let's press OK and let's go to profile and let's select the second profile. Let's press OK and check this out guys. Well, I think we mistakenly selected the first profile. Let's go to this. Let's select on the profile family 5. No, it was family 5 right here. Okay, let's press OK and check this out. Look at how beautiful our stairs are. So this is it guys, this is our profile. And the workflow is very easy, right? So this can be sort of a sitting area and a climbing area, and this can be the normal going up because the threads and the heights are, the distance is standard. In this one, this is sort of a footpath, a sitting footpath, so it can be used for many purposes. So let's continue this. For example, if you go to create back again and if you go to sweep and if you go to the top right here and okay, now this is the top, and after that let's go to sketch path again and let's make our final path a small one right here. Finish, that is done, and excuse me, let's go to the family, so it's going to be okay. And check this out, this is our first one, and after that if we go back to again and let's even try the blend, right? I think it would look nice, isn't it? For example, sketch path from this place to this place right here. Let's press OK, and for the first profile let's go to 6, and for the second profile let's go to 5, or the other way around, right? Okay, fine. If you press OK and let's see what we have done. Alright, it is the other way around. Edit, and for example, if we click on this profile, if you go to flip, and if we click on this profile, if we go to flip, and if you press OK, check this out. Oh my god, so we just made a cool design within seconds, right? So I mean, you can even play with this further on and you can make different designs. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you learned something from it. And you know, we can even make a wall right here if you want to quickly make wall. For example, if you go to finish sweep, if you go to architecture, if you press OK, and if you go to from this point to, if you press the spacebar outside till this point, if you press modify, if we come to right here, so this is it. And for example, if you go to edit, and so this is very easy. If you go to this mode right here and we try to, you know, bring this a bit something, what should we do with this? For example, something like that, remove constraints, and this point right here, if we kind of bring it right here, and if we go to another line, and if we select this line and if we bring it here, so, and if you go to trim and extend, and a 1 and a 2, and so check this out within seconds. So you can further play with this, and maybe you can even make a handrail right here, which I have talked about in my previous videos. So take care of yourself, have a good day, and bye bye.